Guys, this is Misha with AHH Designs. Just wanted to show you our newest project that we're starting today. The homeowner did the partial demo here. He took the carpet up, and then he also, there was a drop-in tub. It's right here. He took that up. So this is what we're going to be working on. We're going to focus from the vanity over. This toilet is going to go into that corner. And then there's going to be no tub. We're going to have a really nice built-in shower right here. Walls tiled, we'll put a light in there. Move that radiator over. And then we're going to have to salvage this barn board because it runs throughout the house. And try to piece it in under the window this way, that way it's all continuous. And then we're gonna tile the floor with a really nice 8 by 45 inch porcelain plank, wood plank tile. It's gonna look really cool. Now we're gonna tie into here. That's our plumbing, it's all exposed. All this stuff's gonna have to move around a little bit. Well, quite a bit actually. So I think what we're gonna do is expose the beams, all our floor joists, like from here over. We're gonna open it all up. This way we can work on the plumbing and make all that work. All right, well, stay tuned for the video at the end to show you what it all looks like when it's done. Thank you. All right, here's our latest project, finished. It's just a view out of the door. Really nice accent piece out of there, and a beautiful shower. So as you can remember, there used to be a toilet here that went over to that side. The radiator had to move over. On the vanity, there used to be a backsplash there, but we put this nice porcelain 4x12 backsplash. Just looks really, really nice there. Then here's the centerpiece of this whole thing. This beautiful shower. We put a fan in there with the light. Nice dreamline door. We have our mosaic floor, 12 by 24 porcelain plank tile. You can see in here, just no lippage. Really nice 1/16 of an inch grout joints. We've got our Delta faucets that we do. So this is your pressure valve, this is your temperature valve, and it comes with this shower head. They're probably going to change the shower head down the road to something that's got a handheld. Then, because we didn't do a niche here, we decided to do 2 soap shelves, spaced 12 inches. The door track, we prefer to use these type of doors just because when you do hinges, those hinges tend to sag, and we'll keep getting callbacks about coming back and adjusting those. Where here, you're fixed into the block over there in the tile, and you're fixed in there, and this will never sag. So that's a big benefit for us. So again, we added a light for them, a light and a fan, and that's pretty much it. And we got this really cool floor here. I think it's 8 inch by 45 inch porcelain plank. Wood look tile, really nice. And this is it's dry. We put a little coat of sealant on it just to get the color out, but it looks really, really nice. Yeah, so this is the project, and we'll also attach a video of what it used to look like before, and I'm sure it's quite a transformation here. All right, thank you.